In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Dropbox file access. We'll keep it simple by focusing on two things: shared links for quick sharing and shared folders for collaboration. First, open your browser, go to dropbox.com and log in. To share a single file or a folder with a view-only link, hover over the item and click Share. In the window that appears, choose Copy Link. That immediately creates a shareable URL. Before you send it, click Manage in the pop-up to fine-tune access. Under Who Has Access, choose between Anyone with Link, which makes the link public to anyone who gets it, or Only People Invited, which keeps it private so only specific people can open it. For shared links, keep Link for Viewing selected. That means people can preview and download, but they cannot edit or delete anything. If a link ever gets into the wrong hands or you just want to shut it down, you can kill the link right away. Click Delete Link and the old URL will stop working. Anyone who tries it will land on an error page and your content stays protected. Now let's look at shared folders, which are best when you want people to work with you. Find the shared folder, hover over it and click Share, or click the icon that looks like two people. You can click Copy Link to get the URL, then select Manage to set the correct level of access. Here you'll see two options. Link for editing lets collaborators add new files, delete items, and make changes. This is ideal for teammates who need full control. Link for viewing limits people to viewing and downloading only. They can't modify or remove anything in the folder. You can also adjust roles at the person level, switching someone between editor and viewer depending on what they need to do. Editors can add, change, and delete. Viewers can only look and download. A quick recap: use shared links when you want to distribute content for others to see or download, and use shared folders when you want people to help you create, update, or organize files. Always double check the Who Has Access setting and whether the link is for viewing or editing before you share. If your needs change later, you can always return to the same Manage panel to update Who Has Access, switch between viewing and editing, or remove the link entirely. Taking a moment to review these settings helps prevent accidental edits and keeps your files organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage Dropbox file access with confidence.